Manageability on HP docks. Network manageability provides administrators the ability to identify, monitor, and update the PC in any power state. Network manageability is also available on HP Thunderbolt Dock G2 and HP USB-C Mini Dock. IT can wait computers to install needed updates for security and productivity reasons, all without the computer being on or interfering with the PC user's work. eTag is a docking asset management tool that enables you to electronically gather your dock serial number, MAC address, and dock name and see the firmware version currently on your dock. Disconnected firmware updates offer the ability for users to update dock's firmware without interfering with their productivity or work schedules. Their laptop works with the dock to stage the update after the user disconnects. To learn more about network manageability, go to the HP support portal. Using a web browser, go to hp.com/support. Search for your product and then click Product Information and then select the product specifications.